What's up, people? So we're back, and yeah, let's actually get to working. So we've got this HTML, CSS, and like I've literally been thinking about the use of divs and stuff to contain stuff, and then once all tagged up, your classes, the use of CSS to just create everything. It's been quite useful. So actually, I can get rid of this one because there are no free code camp stuff. But yeah, no, it's been. Oh, do I understand everything? Not really. Um, but I mean, if you've demonstrated anything, is that you don't have to. The more that you keep going, the better it gets. So, cool. Let's actually write some code now. Now we've got our pseudocode here. Um, and we are going to just do this. So we want to read the input. So actually, let's start off with grabbing some let's grab some element handlers. So let's say let's make sure that we've got these bits in my HTML. I'm going to close the preview as well. I want an input element with an ID of user input. Again, we did copy this, but we do have our inputs with the ID of user input. And so I'm going to then also bring that in. Const number of inputs. Document query. Document. What I didn't want to do is make any spelling mistakes at this stage, so I'm just being a bit lazy. And that's input. User input. Now, if at this point, what I copied didn't have it, then I can just go and make that because I know I have got, I have got a check button, I have got a clear button, I have got an input. I can easily just, determine what these are in my HTML and insert it. If I had done it sort of myself, I'd have it without the CSS. I'd just have an input like we did with my palindrome checker, just an input text box and then a button. So yeah, this again, it's not too crazy, So yep. Clear button. And I'm grabbing these because these are the things I'll be using, isn't it? And then const results field. see. Cool. So what I'm actually going to do is, I think this is my, let me save my code. This is my sorry, insect bite. Alright, so we got the curriculum and check. This is, we don't have many, but this is palindrome checker, Roman numeral converter, and telephone number validator. Okay, so I should have these on GitHub somewhere, but I just want to check a few things. Oh, I was using Let's. Huh. I could actually use this again. Okay, so let me not get too distracted. What I'd wanted to do was just check for, yeah, so if, yes, yeah, right, I want to check how I did an event listener here. Cool, so let's figure out how to grab my scripts. And then I need to start, anyway, cool, I'm thinking out loud, which is not beneficial to you guys. Cool, let's grab our bits here. So what I want to do is add an event listener. Let me just remind myself how to. Okay, yeah. There it is. That's what I want. So say again, so I could have just referred to my my thingy. Actually, I'll go to W3 schools. So I can reference a function, or I can define the function in there with our syntax. So let's see. I keep forgetting. Yeah. I'm gonna have to pull this out. I'm just pulling out my code so I can reference how I've done it, reinforce those ways of doing it for myself. And yeah, our function. See, I'm such an idiot. There you go. Yeah. It's empty. I want to add an alert. Okay, so let's leave it at this to test. I'm not getting my alerts. Why am I not getting my alerts? Clicking the check button. Actually, I'm going to run these tests. It will fail, but I want to check something. Oh, number input is not a thing though. So this be my console. So number inputs is not a thing on its own. I need number input value. So now if there you go. I'm getting an alert. Cool. So that first test now or pass. Good. And this is where I end it for today. Because it's late. I need to use the bathroom before I sleep. TMI. So, I'm now going to go and define a function that does this bit, sort of does the actual check of the phone number. We've just handled if there's nothing there. So yeah, that'll be fine.